This was our first project with my colleague Lazar, a custom order from Etsy. In the video I am mostly showing Lazar how to do things and he is filming. Hopefully he is learning too. It's a 3D Skyline of London, made of 3 wooden layers spaced 3 mm apart. We usually use leftover material for a project like this. The front layer isn't just cut, it also has engraved details. I clean each layer with sandpaper to remove the burn mark from the laser. Then I color the layers using water-based wood stain, each with different tone. The back is the darkest, the middle is medium and the front stays natural. Gluing the layers take precision because they can shift while the glue is still wet. This is probably the most important part. If it's not aligned well, the final products won't stand properly. We use a temporary guide strip to help keep the top layer straight. Then we press gently with our hands so the glue grabs without sliding. We add a new spacer, press again and wait. I use soft clips to hold everything in place without damaging the wood. For packaging, we use insulation foam. It keeps the piece safe during shipping. Finally, I spray it with a clean finish and pack it carefully.